Hey batchers, today we'll be baking Kerry's chocolate orange cupcakes. Chocolate orange is very on trend at the moment, so let's get festive and let's get baking. For my chocolate orange sponge, I'm going to cream together my sugar and my butter in my stand mixer for about 5 minutes until it's pale and fluffy. For the quantities, please have a look in the description box below. Now that it's been beaten for 5 minutes, it should look something like this, light, pale and fluffy. We can move on to the next step. So now on to the next step. I've got my 2 eggs and my dry sifted ingredients here, which include self-raising flour, cocoa powder and bicarb soda. Again, look in the description box for the quantities. So we're going to pop these in now. Right, a nice gentle mix for a couple of minutes until it's nice and combined. Now my mixture has combined, I'm going to add my milk and orange essence. After a minute, all your ingredients should be combined and you can really smell the orange. It's hitting me in the face. It's very appealing. Get it? Appealing. Oh well, I'll try it. And now my chocolate orange cupcake batter is ready. I'm going to fill up my prepared cupcake tin. Want to fill them evenly? You could use spoons, a ice cream scoop, piping bag, and for any gold diggers out there, you could use your trusty shovel. So now they've all been filled, I'm going to pop them in the oven for 20 to 22 minutes at 180°C until they're soft and springy to the touch. So whilst they're baking in the oven, I'm going to move on to the buttercream. I'm going to start by adding my butter to my stand mixer. And I'm going to let it beat for 5 minutes until it's pale, light and fluffy. After 5 minutes on a medium to high speed, it's time to add your cocoa powder, icing sugar and orange extract. I'm going to start off on a low speed. This is to prevent the cloud forming. So I'll let this mix for about a minute or so, then I'll increase it to a medium to high speed for 5 minutes. I will now add my melted chocolate, which is now at room temperature. Look at that. So I will add this and then I will beat again for 5 minutes until it's nice, combined and silky. So now my sponges are cool to the touch and my buttercream is done. I've put it in a piping bag and I've put in a 1M open star nozzle and I'm ready to pipe these bad boys. So I've got some white chocolate which I've melted in the microwave, and I've added some orange food colouring just to give it an extra pop and some festiveness. lightly drizzle the song. Add some sprinkles. Finish it off with a Terry's chocolate orange. And there you have it, my take on a chocolate orange cupcake. The smell and look so good. Aren't you glad you clicked on this video? Make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.